Congratulations, you just took your first step to not let your app or website ruin your business. Well, you know a fact that more than 35,000 businesses with their digital product launch every day, but most of them just become a disaster, not because they doesn't looks good, but because they works horribly. Well, if your website or app doesn't make a user click, stay, or buy anything, what's the point of that website, right? You don't need pretty graphics, you actually need design that moves your business forward. Let me tell you an industry secret: most of the freelancers, they took your money and came back to you after a month or more. With me, you get regular updates, clarity, and business focused results. And yes, you don't need to babysit us. I had a team, we solved the problem, and you just focus on your growth. Thinking of going cheaper? Of course you can. But remember this: cheaper always comes with a headache. Just don't be shocked when it doesn't work. Hiring a cheap designer is like throwing your own money into a trash can. Hello there, my name is Farman Haris. I'm the founder of High4Tech, and I'll be your design partner in your next project. I won't just design your site, I'll make sure it actually works in the real world. So let's talk. I'll send you the first deliverable within 24 hours or maybe 36, because I don't believe in waiting. Waiting is like a crime in 2025.